Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use WinRAR on Windows 11. WinRAR is basically an application that allows you to compress and decompress any files that you want to, for example, send or download from the internet, etc. In order for you to download WinRAR, simply head over to Google and type in WinRAR. From here, you can download the WinRAR application. In order for you to decompress a file using WinRAR, simply find the file that is compressed. Then all you need to do is right-click on the file, hover over WinRAR, and then click extract here. And then you can select from any of these. For example, I can just open it without extracting the files. I can choose to extract the files and it will tell me where I would like to extract the files to. I can extract it to the same location as where the file is located. So in this case, in my downloads folder, or I can just click extract here, which will extract it to my downloads folder. Then once you've chosen the option, you'll be able to see that your file has been extracted. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.